This is Sissy. She's fixing to walk in her bedroom. She just started walking really good about a week ago or so. Uh-oh, she lost her balance. It's okay. Get up. We just got out of the bathtub after she threw a fit, and she's going to go see her brother. Go on. Uh-oh. Wow, we got a little bit of different colored carpet there, I'd say. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go see Bubby. Go get Bubby, Sissy. Look how cute she is. My little girl's walking. Oh my gosh, I'm fixing to not have a baby no more. She's gonna be a toddler. Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh, go get Bubby. You go get your brother. Hey. Whoa, hi. Huh? Let's go. Come here, sis. There's somebody in here. Who is in there still playing in the bathtub? There's somebody I know. Hi, Bubby. What are you doing in here? Are you still playing? I love you. Can you tell Mommy, say love you? Love you? Pretty boy. Handsome boy. No, tell Mommy, say I gorgeous. Okay. No? Oh. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No? Okay, bye-bye.